It is always good to persist old farm data for user. If we submit our farm and if there is some error or something wrong with the farm while submitting, so it is good that to persist the farm data that is submitted. So it's a simple example that we have a farm with the input field of email. When we submit, so you see there is an error message that email field is required, but it's not persisting the farm data in email. So how we can achieve this? And it's very simple and pretty straightforward. So just we have to give value in our farm and blade and our function helper function old and give the field name which is email. So now this time it will hold the data in the farm field. If we put Rana in our email field, so you will see, so it's submitting in the farm data, but there is an error that email field it now displaying the what data is being submitted. And let's put submit, and it is now persisting the data. So if what if we can we have a value, if we want to, if there is a value in our value field, then display the value, otherwise it remains empty. So we can change our value from to a ternary operator, and so which is now name is email, and old we are putting old data. uh, Let me rewrite from start, and let me put that code here, right? Okay, so so blade syntax and put old which is email, and old email, and put ternary operator. If first condition is true, then display the string, and if it is wrong, then display the an empty string. And in that string we can put our value is equal to our string double quoted, and in double quoted single string, and concatenate and put the old helper function, and in that function put the email. So if the old farm data is true, there is a farm in data in field, then display value is equal to old email, otherwise remain empty. And let's remove this. There is a string error. mm, Value old email concatenate, and mm, old email The string problem. If move it, okay, right again. Old email, if it is true, this string, and if it is false, then this string. And in that string, value is equal to double string and single string, concatenate and put old function in that single string email. And let's check. So when we put Rana, and so you see it displaying the persisting data, and but this time it's displaying with the string. So we can remove the string by um, ending with the explanation sign, and it will, the Laravel blade syntax will escape the quoted sentence. It is because the injection, it automatically remove the injection, and we can set it right way. So put it and Rana. This time it will persist without the parentheses. Sorry, code. So, so in this way we can show our old data, and with the ternary operator it depend on you. Okay, either you want a simple old data, or with a ternary, if there is an old data you can print in the otherwise it will remain the empty string, and we can see it by pressing control U, and here is now value is Rana. If there is no data, and it will be a value will be empty, and here you can see there is no value, so because it is empty. Okay.